100% real wind turbine factory footage.
Welcome to Smart Factories. Today we show you our whole factories, what we can do and what we looks like. Factory tour, follow me. This is Smart showroom. Let's follow me, show you our warehouse. This area, 2 floors is for the warehouse for raw materials, spare parts, and also the blades. Let me show you more details. Spare parts for generator. Copper coins for generator. Wind turbine blades and tails. Spare parts for wind generator. Follow me, this is our waiting room for generator. Copper coin, half-finished generator. Assembling lines for generator. This is our workers are assembling the generator. Half finished blades. All material for wind generator. Spare parts for wind turbine. This is all the half-finished spare parts. Let's show you our packing line. This part is all the wooden and the carton box will be packed in our products. Follow us. We will show you how our wind turbine packing like. This is all the carton box packed for our wind turbine. We shipped it for the warehouse in overseas market. Okay, let's show you our installation and also the raw material making lines. Our first floor for shipment and the generator producing line. Let me show you more details. This part is all the finished product packed ready and we will ship. Like you can see, the car is waiting outside. Okay, follow me. Let's show you our big generator production line. Here is our generator producing for the painting, for the installation, for testing are all here. Here is the testing line and all the half-finished generator will be here. Half-finished generator will ship out soon. This is all the half-finished generator here. Two amazing big generator for SQ and SH type. If you are also looking for big one, you can try this. Half-finished generator again. We have many samples and material for you. So if we are order, we can producing for you very fast. This is our laser cutting machine. We have two cutting all kinds of spare parts for wind turbine. Our production line is very amazing. Our raw material parts. This is all the raw material for the generator parts. Our cutting machine by ourselves, cutting the shape, different blades, generator shell. hot. This is a polish and painting room. This is all material for making the hole for French. Thanks. All the machines for different spare parts. Finished. Let me show you our glaze making room. All the glaze just making by this machine is still hot. Here is our showroom for wind turbine, start from 200 kilowatts to 500 kilowatts, which can meet all your requirements from residential use and also for the home commercial projects, for farm, for factories. If you also worried about high bill for electricity, why not try new energy, such as our wind turbine and also for system with the solar panel? Talk with us. Now I'm in our factory's roof. I will show you our wind turbine and hybrid with solar system for you. This is all the wind turbine we installed for you. In your home, in your factories, you also can install like this on the roof with the beautiful flower and the trees. This is our wholesale SH type, which can run in 2 meters per second. And this is our SX. It's also very beautiful, can run in very low wind speed and the efficiency is amazing. And the horizontal one. And this is our solar panel roof. We also have the factories for our solar panel. We could do tier 1 brand and also we can do OEM for your brand as well. We can do customization for you. Just talk with us. For us, let's show you our another wholesale wind turbine in our roof. Like this beautiful one. Lay down vertical wind turbine. Right now we break it. It can customize for you. If you don't want to install too high, you can install this kind of wind turbine. It also can run in very low wind speed, okay? This is also our wholesale SQ type, SH type, and SR type. Right now you can see this is all running very low wind speed. If you are also looking for new energy like wind turbine, talk with us.
What's this mirage?